In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 best online side hustles for beginners of 2022. Now, these side hustles can bring you anywhere between $25,000 and $3,000 per day, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. Without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about these side hustles. These side hustles can be free or might cost a little bit of investment, and as I mentioned, you can make anywhere between $25,000 and $3,000 per day with these. And I know for a fact that $3,000, it sounds like an unreasonable, crazy number, but I'm actually going to talk to you about how you can do it and why you can do it. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I want to talk about is actually called software as a service. Now, recently, software as a service, or SaaS, has gained a lot of attraction. What people are talking about is this website called Go High Level. And with this website, you can work with local businesses and provide complete done-for-you services. As you can see on the screen here, you can do everything for them, and you can make reoccurring revenue by charging them monthly to send things like text messages and emails and really help grow their online business. But one thing that not a lot of people talk about is actually reseller web hosting. And when I had my web hosting company, that's what this was. It was actually reselling other people's web hosting. It was white labeling. And so what I would do is I'd buy this reseller package, and then I'd work with small and medium-sized businesses and offer web hosting to them. Now, the cool thing with web hosting is that people will never leave their web hosting provider if they're satisfied with the service. So what you want to do is make sure that you're providing good customer service, and they'll stay with you forever. So this is a really cool opportunity. You basically will buy hard drive space from a company like NameHero, and then you'll white label it. You'll give it your own business name and business entity, and then you can go out and promote it to people around the world. You can run ads to it. You can simply create free content like YouTube and TikTok talking about your web hosting platform, and you can attract people that want to build a website. Now, one thing that you can do to help get people on board is to offer them a free service, or maybe you heavily discount creating or building a simple WordPress website. You can also offer migration services. You can do all sorts of stuff, but this is a really cool opportunity because it's reoccurring, and you can make money semi-passively. Once you get them on board, you start making money passively as long as they stay a customer. But software as a service is a great place to start in 2022 because everybody needs some sort of service. That is number 2. Number 1 is actually with vertical videos. Now, the reason why I say vertical videos and not TikTok, because you can take these vertical videos and you can put them on Reddit and Instagram and Pinterest and LinkedIn, and there's a bunch of different ways to monetize these vertical videos. You can monetize them selling your own digital or physical products. You can sell affiliate products. You can actually get brand deals and sponsorships. For example, I've had companies reach out to me and say, we want you to place an ad on your content talking about one of our products, and we'll pay you. We'll even send you the product. And you can do this with all sorts of vertical videos. Now, the cool thing is vertical videos are going to be anywhere between 15 seconds and maybe 3 minutes long, depending on the platform. And it's really easy. Vertical videos are actually a great place to start for beginners because you don't have to create a 10-minute video. One of the biggest things that held people back, and I know it held me back when I first got started with YouTube, back in my day, there was no vertical videos, and so you had to create 8-10-minute videos, and it's hard to keep people's attention for 10 minutes. It's much easier to keep someone's attention for 30 seconds or even a minute and a half with engaging video, but you can see that this is a great place to start. And so again, you can do this with YouTube Shorts and Pinterest and Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn. It works for any platform, and you just need to pick an area where you want to create content consistently, and you can start seeing a return on your investment. Now, actually, the amount of money that you can make with vertical videos, I'm going to say it's unlimited. Okay, you're going to start off small, but as you continue to create content and you attract people that are interested in your content, you can monetize it in multiple ways. The sky is the limit with vertical videos as long as you are consistent and persistent enough. After vertical videos, we have building simple 5-page WordPress websites. This is one of the best side hustles that you can do. You can do this from home. You don't need to spend any money to get started, and you just can work with businesses that are close in your local area. Now, why is this such a profitable opportunity? There are over 100,000 new WordPress websites that are built every single day or created every single day. So if I just Googled real quick, how many new websites are created every day. And you can see 547,000 new websites are created every single day. And I guarantee you, those people, most of them don't know how to actually build websites. Small businesses, people that are just starting a business, they need a WordPress website or a website of some sort. And you can charge them $3,000 per client to build a simple 5-page WordPress website. And it's actually really easy. If you don't know how to build a WordPress website, you can go over to YouTube and there's a bunch of tutorials. But this is what I did. First, I'd find a client. I would contact local businesses. And then once I got a client, I would say, okay, pay me half up front and I'll deliver everything to you. You don't have to pay me the rest until you are 100% satisfied with the job. And once I got a contract, I would go over to a website called themeforest.net and I would download these WordPress templates. For example, you'll see here, plumber. When you click search, you are going to purchase one of these and you can actually roll in the price of these different WordPress themes into whatever you're charging your business owner. You're going to download this and then you can upload this right into their web hosting software. You make a few changes based on what the customer recommends and suggests, and you can actually build 5-page WordPress websites. I was building them in as quick as 3 hours. So you can do this, and you don't actually have to spend any money up front. You just need to reach out to different local businesses. Now, I do have a few videos showing you step by step some of the best ways to reach out to local businesses. Comment down below if you want those steps. I'll actually link the video to your comment. So this is one of the great ways. After building out WordPress websites, it's actually creating an online course, but you're not going to do it this way. You're not going to use Udemy. What you're going to do instead is you are going to create the course and then you are actually going to market yourself. The reason why you want to market it yourself is so that you can make more money. One of the downsides of using Udemy is that most of the courses are going to go for like $9.99. And then you will actually get a fraction of that. You can get anywhere between $2.50 and like $7 if you use this platform. However, if you sell it yourself, you can make anywhere between, let's say, $49 if that's what you want to sell it for, or $997 if you want to sell that course. So what you'd want to do is come over to Udemy and look for different ideas. For example, if we click on financial analysis and you have a background in financial analysis, you can package up your knowledge and sell it. Now, the cool thing is people will pay for your knowledge and your experience because your knowledge and experience are unique. So let's say I had a background in financial analysis. I could create a course and then I could market it for free using TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or LinkedIn. And then I can send people, you see I've got this link here, I could send people to my landing page to collect their name and their email, or I can send them directly to the course. Now you can create these courses on Teachable, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, there are WordPress, really. There are all sorts of different platforms that you can create these courses and then you can price them whatever you want. And the cool thing is because you're building an audience on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, you can build a following and make money 24 hours a day with an online course. So I do not recommend that you use these sites like Udemy. Take the more time, it takes a little bit more time and effort, but take the time to create the course and then sell it yourself and you will be successful as long as you keep creating. Now, after creating and selling online courses, I actually like creating and selling digital products. Now, this is a digital product that I created a couple years ago, and it was based off of what I saw over on Etsy. So what I do is I use Etsy for ideas and inspiration, and I saw that a lot of people were buying these different planners. So I created a bundle. It's called Your Life in Planners, and I put together 5 or 6 different planners and templates, and I actually packaged them up and sold them. Now, I did this through Facebook ads. So if we scroll down here, this product was $17. Now the exact same bundles, this daily planner, sold on Etsy for like $3, $4, $5. I'm selling this entire bundle for $17. And the reason why I like doing it this way is because I can make more money doing it this way than with Etsy. So what I would do is I would package this up and I would sell it for $17. On the next page, I would have an upsell with budget planners. And then with budget planners, I can charge $97, $297. And I would also have some downsells and other ways to increase the average cart value for any person that buys. So even though this is $17, my average cart value was probably like $50, $60. And this is much better than just selling your products over on Etsy. So if you're looking for ideas and inspiration, head on over to Etsy, see what's working, and then you can create your own little bundles and have upsells and downsells so that you can make even more money. And then again, you can market this using Facebook ads or YouTube ads. See, there's my picture. You can also do it for free. I did this actually 2 years ago. You can see here, my kids are 2 years older. You can market for free using YouTube or TikTok or any social media platform. If you want to get results faster, you can spend $3 per day and run Google ads and Facebook ads and start getting results. But I really like it. I really think this is such a cool opportunity, and you can just use whatever is already working over on Etsy, and you can actually hire somebody to do this. Now, I have no skills when it comes to creating these things. However, I went over to Fiverr and spent $10, and I had someone build these different planners for me. Make sure that they're unique, that they're not just downloading the planners from Canva and then uploading them and giving them to you, because that's a violation of Canva's terms of service. But you can hire somebody to do this for you for $5 or $10, and it's really, really simple. Now, the next one that I want to talk about, and potentially my favorite one, is with actually affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are simply connecting solutions to problems. People have millions of problems, all sorts of problems that are out there. And what you're going to do is you are going to create content to get in front of your target audience so that you can provide those solutions. For example, one of the problems out there that people have is they want to make better content. And one of the best ways to make better content is to have a better microphone. And so I can actually promote this Rode wireless microphone to help improve people's audio. And when they see this, that I'm helping them out, they're going to click on my affiliate links and make a purchase. Now, the best way to do email marketing, in my experience, is actually with email marketing. That's a different story for a different day. But if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I do have a link in the description that will actually help you get started step by step. One of the best online businesses that you can start, online side hustles that you can start, is affiliate marketing. And the sky's the limit when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can make a very good amount of money as long as you are consistent and persistent with your online business. And the final one that I want to cover today is a new and upcoming way to make money. And this is called UGC, or user generated content. As you can see here, people, you and me, average Joes, are creating content, basically ads for companies, and they're making anywhere between $25 and hundreds of dollars per day. Now, these ads are 30-second ads, they're 1-minute ads, and the cool thing is that you don't need to have a following on social media. You can do UGC if you've never uploaded a TikTok video. The way that this works is you'll find a company or a brand, let's say McDonald's, they hire you to do UGC content, and they're going to take the video that you create and they're going to upload it on their social media platforms. Now, the reason why businesses are shifting to this is because people don't want to buy from businesses. People want to buy from regular people like me and you. And so if they see average Joes like me and you creating content, talking about how great this Big Mac is, it is going to increase customer sentiment and satisfaction, and it's going to increase the likelihood that they'll actually buy. So while people are still spending big money on advertising agencies, this is the model. Now, you can go over to Fiverr and you can type in UGC and create different gigs. You can see there's only 1,100 services. You can also Google UGC Marketplace, UGC Marketplace, like I've got up here, and then you can actually go and apply to these different marketplaces. Now, I do want to caution you, because this is a new thing, there will be some scammers out there. Be very cautious if people are asking you to send money first. Okay? One of the biggest scams out there is people will say, send me money so that I can help you make money. Now, in the old school days, you didn't necessarily have to send money to make money. So just be cautious if you're doing this. But UGC is a great way to make money. It's a great side hustle, and you don't have to even have your own following. You could be an unknown, nobody, Joe Schmo, and you can make $100 a day being a UGC. Now that you see the 7 different side hustles that you can start online in 2022, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how you can earn a full-time income as an affiliate marketer without having a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads or a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.